I have to look if this is working. Don't know why Google make it so difficult to find the URL. Yep, it's there. But I'm doing it from a different computer. It's cool. It's black on my screen. But it's okay on a different one. Ish. It's okay. It technically works. That's the best kind of works, I guess. Yep, seems to be there. I don't know. Anyway, so what? 4 minutes? No, I just started like 40 seconds ago. Far out. People do this for money? Alright, cool. I actually achieved a few interesting things on the last one. Nothing major. But the looming concept here that I've been not wanting to deal with is these bloody email stuff, because you've got limited scope, as in, I don't know, you got 100 hits. That's what Google gives you to hit you the Gmail API, and then you're done for the day. And it's like, I'm okay with the limited hits. That's fine. I understand why that restriction is in place. But when I'm doing developing and I need to test whether something will work with 1,000 things, if I'm going to scale it up for a client or do whatever, that's when it's just like, I can't test it. This is why software fails, because you can't test it and you just put it out there and go, okay, you guys try it, see what happens. And then and it's just basically you fuck one goat and nobody trusts you again. So I'm not willing to put down the dosh to populate too much more data or use the API a whole bunch until I think this is a viable project. Yeah. I mean, I know there's alternatives, but fact is, this is the easiest for me right now, and that's what we're doing. We're just trying to get an MVP, so which I believe is this. So, turning on or off email, for me, it's a thing that I need. Keyword, that's an easy part. Put the date in the subject, yep, that's easy. Now, proper subscriptions page, that is a that is a major, yeah, call to action, whatever you want to call it. I'm still thinking about the privacy stuff because it's going to be important. I don't know how to deal with it yet, but I'll figure out a way. Because I want, okay, A, I don't want to expose anyone's data, and B, I want them to have complete control over it and not have the feeling that I have, yeah, any insight into their personal life. Basically, they can do what they want, and I'm just like, no, that's you let the software look at your stuff, and that's it. Nothing else goes any further because I can't I can't survive another fucking, yep. All right, cool. And no, that's a nice. So everything from here. Actually, I'm gonna write this down. This is really terrible. Must have. Nice to have. So the must-have stuff is what will bring people in, like me. Like if someone else made this stuff, I would just like, yeah, I'm on board. What do you want? Like, oh, it's free. Okay, cool. Oh, it's $5 a month. Sweet. It's $50 a month. Hmm. And then nice to have all this sort of stuff here. These are all just like perks. So, oh, you want that? All right, that's $2 extra. There's another $5. Yeah, that's $1. That one there, I'm not. Anyway, the point being, yeah. All right, cool. This is what I have to do in the next couple of days to make this viable. All right, email toggle. Let's just go in order. I have to refactor the code, but for now. Cool. Sorry, I was just looking at email. All right, email toggle. Let's do that. Cause I completely ignored the email setup, and I'm really reticent to show any email stuff on the channel, so that'll be on a different screen. But I'll take, I don't know, screenshots or something. So I've got it set up to send emails false at the moment. Like I put up oh, okay, what? I'm getting a bunch of Uber Eats. I just got some food. Fucking hell. 4 fucking Uber Eats notifications. Did you like the food? How was it? How was the driver? Would you go there again? Would you recommend your friends? I just wanted food, man. Like, I don't need all the other stuff. Anyway, cool. Fuck. What was I thinking about? Let's go back. Focus. Email toggle. You know what? That's actually not the first thing, the first vector that we need to look at. Let's just get email working again, because I turned it off because I kept on getting notifications that I was using too much resource, and they hate me. So put this back to true. I haven't touched it for a couple of weeks, so I was like, yeah, okay, cool. Maybe they're okay now. I use that as my keyword trigger, just YT upload. The email stuff is right down here because I refactored it into a different area yesterday. Emails left, yeah, no. Wait, what's going on there? No. Yeah, so email build subject. I just want to test whether it works. And build body. So I've got a bunch of stuff I need to do to make this proper HTML compliant, but again, it's not super important right now. What I don't want to do is run out of resources while I'm doing it. So you only get 100 turns at this, and 100 sounds big, but when you're processing thousands of things and you fuck it up more than once, that's not good. So I'm going to put this down to 3. That's why I previously left this one up here, because I can't remember that number later on. It's arbitrary, but it's there. Alright, so the difference now between what we had before is that I've turned on emails, and it's been a while, it's been a couple of weeks since I tried to use the email API. So I'm just going to try it out and see what happens. So I'm going to push it to the cloud, and then try it. Actually, I'm not even sure if the feed works. Oh yeah, cool. I think. Don't know. So again, I haven't tested this email code in 2 weeks. No idea if that's going to work, but I'll put up a screenshot of what the result was if, or whatever. Check against time. Oh, right, okay, cool. I remember I said in the last one that I deliberately disabled the superforce check, because it's not a good thing to leave in there, because if this just repeats itself over and over again, Google will come and not apply lube. Let me just say that. But we still kind of need them for now. Alright, so that did not work. I need to put in superforce check. I will put that on now and hope I don't forget to remove it before I go to sleep. Alright, push to server. It's alright, there's other stuff I'm doing on the other screens that you can't see on the output. they're not useful or they're private information. Alright, here we go. So that updated to, yep, it's only going to look at the first 3 lines. It's going to superforce and it's going to try to send emails. Cool, let's try. Oof, worked. I think I can share this. That's okay. I'll just resize my. No. Far out. Anyway, point being, it sent me. Oh fuck! That's gonna turn up on the screen, isn't it? That's cool. I'll do it over here. So it sent me emails of the latest 2 things in there, and it looks kind of like this. Hang on. Crop. Yep, cool. We can show that now. So yeah, just as I hit the run code thing, it sent these 2 emails saying, alright, yep, Carl Hill, 1 weird math trick to estimate anything, and internet today, blah blah blah. Sent them there, and I put the YT upload thing at the end of the thing, so that works. One of the ones I wanted to test was whether we could change the header information to have the person that the information came from is the name of the internet channel. I don't know, because they've locked down a lot of that privacy now. But yeah, anyway, that worked. Cool. Alright, so I think actually, yeah. Achievement unlocked. Done. Alright, now the email toggle, well, I've technically already got that because I got send emails, so there's more I want to do to that later, so I'm actually going to drop that down in priority. Alright, put date in subject. Alright, so this is useful because, sorry, I've got so many screens. Yeah, for instance, that Internet Today one that just popped up on the thing, or Carl Hill, they were from a few days ago, but the email just came now. So it'd be good to have the publish date in there, so you know if you've landed on some old Vsauce video or something like that. So let's do that. Anyway, I put it there for a reason. There's very good other reasons, but for now, that it is what it is. So let's do that. I just want to get rid of half this to-do list. And I only used up 2 of my Gmail API hits. Cool. I do need to refactor this. This is just like a complete fucking mess. Like, I have to scroll so far to find what I want, and it's just like, no. So is that stuff? Here we go. build email subject. So we got current channel name, video title, email subject trigger. I want the, oh god, I forgot the bloody bracket, closing bracket. I want subject name in there, but see, the keyword trigger doesn't need to be seen on the subject line. That can be way in the distance. Cool. Alright, current, so, let's not think too far ahead right now. Let's put in some stuff about stuff and things. So, video title, and now this will be date. I don't know if we know this information yet. I'm going to HDF so I can find it again. Okay. Publish. Oh, here we go. Publish date. I guess that's what we got. Let's go with it. Where did I put that? That's why I put ASDF. Oh, what the fuck, man? Publish date. So there's two things I really hate working with, and that is date conversions and email interrogations. And I'm doing both of those right now. So basically, publish date sounds, oh yeah, cool. Alright, so what date? Do you want it in epoch? Do you want it in UTC? Do you want it in local time? Do you want to have the minutes and seconds? Do you want... it's just an endless barrage of stuff, and quite often unintelligible. Anyway, I'm going to see what publish date comes out as. You just have to publish it to... You have to push it to the server and test it, because you just won't know. So basically, I'm just trying to think what the best option would be for it. It should show... I'm not going to cater to American date systems. I don't care about that. It should show the year, the month, the day, and the hour. I think that's... yeah, year, month, day, hour. You don't need anything else. Because it's okay if someone puts out 2 in a day, but... Anyway, we'll see what happens. So I'm looking on another screen, which is my email server. Alright, poof, it's just chucked up a couple more. Alright, yep, I'll just do a screenshot, that looks okay. What's the point of a screenshot over there? So this subject is now, you can actually see a slight difference of the changes we made here. Fuck, where is it? So these are the ones that were there like 10 minutes ago or whatever. This is the new ones, and it's got the date in there, but it's got the actual time of publish, but it's also, imprinted with UTC data, which is not particularly useful. Kind of what you want, I think. This is something that the user is going to be able to select at a later stage in the UI, but my selection would be, I want to see day, month. You don't need to see year. Yeah. Look, man. Alright. So I want to see, oh yeah, they published something on the 19th of April that you should go watch again. Cool. Alright, we've come to a thing. So number, letters, as in 19 APR. Yeah, I think that's it. We don't need anything else. If we do, we can figure it out later, but that's sufficient. So let's do that. How do we do that? Alright, so publish date is a thing there. Basically, I need to turn that into the date format that I want. So I'll put a to do just in case I have to do something else. Because I think that's understandable by pretty much everyone. People can elect to include years and stuff later like that, but we don't need that right now. So instead of publish dates, we'll call this one publish date human. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, bloody hell, I did this before. I just remembered I got an entire thing about date stuff. Yeah, publish date human. Oh, bloody hell, I did this. No, that's what I'm doing now. I know I did this. Oh gosh, I didn't do it. Alright, do it again. I've done this a million times in the past, but in so many different languages that I keep forgetting which one I'm using. Publish date human, so we want it. Yeah, we just want the day of the month and the month. Yeah, cool. That shouldn't be too difficult. I just don't know what format that is in. It come through as UTC, I believe. You know what? I'm gonna be over verbose here. Publish date day because just reasons. Publish date day and because these are going to be text objects. This is a date object, and I want to convert that to text. So publish date. There will be much quicker ways to do this. Oh, what the fuck? Like in less verbose ways, but for actually getting it done, yeah, you just do it this way and then go back and fix it. Alright, so publish date day equals publish date human dot get day, I think. Yeah, get day. I think it's just that. And then publish date month equals publish date human dot get month, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Don't care about that now. I don't know if that comes back as a number or or the name of it, but point being is that now we should see publish date day plus fuck. I'm just going to put a space in, and we'll see what happens. Yep, cool. Looks sort of correct. Alright, push the server and get rid of that and open it up and run it. See what happens. See, I don't know if it's going to be preceded by a 0 or just as it is, or actually, you know what? I want to turn off the email thing. Oh no, I got to see the email. I just want to reduce it by 1 because I might have to do this 50 times before I get it right. Okay, hang on. No, nothing happened. Oh, it did. Sweet. it came up as 6-4. Okay. What? ISS is going over. Sweet. Alright, it came up as 6-4. What does that mean? So I'm just looking at the output on another screen. I'm trying to figure it out. So that would be 6th of April, but it's not. So I've obviously got this wrong. Get day, get month. How's that wrong? if this is even necessary. I'm just going to remove it for now. Going to try putting in publish date, get date, get month. This is why it's difficult. Doing stuff with Google and having to publish all the time just to test your damn code. Alright, get day is not a function. Yeah, I thought that might be a thing. I'm getting really tired. I'm gonna have to sign off soon. Come back later. So publish date human. What does get date give? Does it give it's a number? So it says the last one that sent through was 6. I'm gonna check on my other screen. It's actually a pretty cool output. Have to say. Anyway,
this episode of Weekly Weird News. Opening greetings to all.
So this is the link it gives you, published on. No, that's 22nd of May. How did I come up with 6? What? What the fuck, man? Alright, I'm gonna go and look at the debug. I don't know if it'll tell us much. Alright, so publish date human is not a thing. What? What? Did I reuse the variable? No, you know what? I'm too tired for this. I have to have a nap, and I will fix up the other stuff later. There's no point just sitting there smashing my head against the wall for another hour to not achieve. Cool. I'll leave it. Hopefully remember what the fuck I was doing.